Do it.
I lost my polarizer for my lenses. Me. Every time you lose something when you do videography, I swear to God, it's like a $200 loss. Hey, Brooks, you got waiters? You bringing waiters, Brooks? Fort Myers, Florida, home of tarpon and old people walking around with their dogs at 6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Dude, just at the restaurant.
Yeah, birds.
It was like Dinner of the Living Dead. It really was. Taking a spoon of soup and then watching 3/4 of it shake out of the spoon while you're trying to get it to your mouth.
Right.
I got a protein shake and a protein bar this morning because I had a breakfast sandwich the other day. And is that a lady bending over leaning into her mailbox, or is that a statue? So I almost myself. I had to run to the bathroom. They had to drop me off from the shore. I had to jump on a seawall and run to a restaurant with no shoes on and go poop because of one breakfast sandwich. Did you know that you've been being filmed the entire time?
We're live.
We went fishing today, and we had a pretty epic day. Almost the most epic day of all time. Once we got the bait, we literally went a half a mile to where we were fishing for these Cobia on rays.
Those stingrays are here and they're carrying the cobia, and it only happens for a month or two, and you got to take advantage of it while they're here.
Good karma comes to those who help the environment.
That's right, you got to do our part.
Brooks, I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Frankie. You know, I'm looking for specific things. I'm looking for the white on the underneath of the stingrays to give me a visual cue, you know, and then it's all hands on deck trying to make a perfect cast to these cobia that are riding the backs of these stingrays. And when it all comes together, it's a beautiful thing, just like today.
We roll up to this first flat, and I'm talking to you, and I'm going to pull my pilchard off and throw it in the water because we're going to move. Remember, we're going to try to catch a tarpon possibly because we didn't see any cobia for the first like 15 minutes. We're going to move.
Yep.
And all of a sudden you said, "Oh my God, two cobia," and I was like, I had my pilchard off, about to flip it in the water, and all of a sudden I'm like scrambling like an idiot, trying to like not gouge its eyes out, and like put it back to the nostrils, and I'm like, I finally get it on there, and you run back to get a pilchard on yours.
Yeah. Yep.
And you say, okay, 12 o'clock, there's two cobia, and all of a sudden I look down, I said, no, they're right here.
They're fucking big dogs.
Right here, right below. Right below, right in the crab pot.
Oh yeah, right on the crab pot.
And they were right, like on a crab trap. There was, initially I saw like 5 cobia. And they weren't huge cobia, but they were cobia.
Yeah, I remember when you said, they're right here on the crab trap. Well, get your bait in the water. Like, what are you doing?
So I put my bait in the water, and of course, me being the professional fisherman I have, he's yelling, he's gonna eat. And I hear Brooks' footsteps coming up, and all of a sudden, I'm like kind of slack lined, and Ryan's like, set the hook, you idiot. I'm like, what? And I like, set the hook.
Like your Bill dance.
Yeah.
Bing! Setting the hook on it. I'm like,
I didn't set the hook that hard.
Fish on. It was You'd have fallen off the boat, man. If the fish wasn't on the other end of the line, you'd have gone right over.
I laid the pipe. I didn't know. I've never caught a cobia before.
Nice. Go back there. Go back there. Go back there. Oh my God, there's a whole shitload of them, dude. Across the trip.
And next thing you know, am I lying to the world when I say we look down and there's like 20 cobia
20, yeah.
following?
Easily.
Unbelievable.
So Ryan's getting a rod ready, and Brooks and I are like, okay, the cameras aren't on right now. should we like put these rods in the rod and hook up like 2 more so Ryan can fight one too?
Yeah.
And I'm like, if you actually said this, and I'm like, no, Ryan, get the camera.
Get the camera.
Yeah, get the camera.
So
I remember
Ryan's
that.
never run a DSLR in his life. A DSLR, I'm sorry, we had a few cocktails today. So what you're about to see right now is Ryan, first time in his life, trying to figure out how to run a DSLR camera.
Yeah, come on.
Work the camera and the fucking fish at the same time.
Fuzz?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Is it on me?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Right there. You can get that if you want.
Does it slide?
I don't know.
I don't want to stick it and then it's not.
I don't know. I think he's short.
Ryan, first time ever holding a DSLR camera.
Yes. Sorry, excuse
Double it up on Cobia.
excuse the bad footage.
Jesus, these things don't stop. Does it look pretty clear? You can twist that thing in that front bar.
I don't know what I'm doing, dude.
See this right, your thumb right there? Twist that. Right in front of that. Right there, twist that.
Okay.
If you see, you'll know when it's focused. It'll look really clear on me, and depth of field in the background. How do you remember that thing? There it is.
Is it a little bigger, maybe?
Rise at the camera and the trolling motor.
I want the blue fuzz on you, right?
Yep,
Okay.
you got it, dude. Stud captain and cameraman.
Doubled up on Cobes.
Yeah, baby. Fucking right.
Are we gonna go viral? All right. How do you guys want to try and land these things?
These aren't slot, are they?
I don't know what is it.
Grab the tail.
Oh my God. Brooks's is pushing slot.
Mine's under. Thanks.
Yeah. All right.
Hold tight. Hold. Squeeze that motherfucker. Yes.
You got him, man?
Yeah, buddy.
Little Danko Pliers shout out right here, boys. Brooks, control your fish.
Dude.
The whole thing was epic, and the coolest part for me was I got to watch both of the cobia eat your baits at separate times. Like, I told you to throw your bait in the water, like, get your bait in the water, and then boom, he's on, and then I look in the back and Brooks has another bait on, and it's boom, another fish on. Yeah. I watched both eats. That was the coolest part. Awesome. I watched both eats, and then it was like, okay, I'm trying to man the station. I'm like, what do I do now? Like, this fish is running this way, this fish is running this way. Luckily, it all worked out.
Yeah.
revive job. Give me that camera so I can do this.
Whoa.
Dude, Ryan, thank you.
No problem, guys.
Awesome. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
That was a good. That was a good day.
Thank Captain Brooks Riley. Thank you
Yeah,
so much for the day, man.
worries, dude.
Thank you, dude, so
Thank you,
much.
Frankie.
Call Captain Ryan. Call Captain Brooks. I'll put both their descriptions in the YouTube. We got our buddy Brooks' daughter over here screaming and yelling at us for no reason. Brooks, we got to tend to her. Catch you on the flip side.
See you guys.